Hi Barry, just taking a look at your Dungeons and Dragons brochure. It looks pretty good. My computer really doesn't like it, probably because there's a lot of copy and pasted things from Illustrator that make it a pretty big file. If you ever do anything like that again, just remember to do a file place. EPSs work really well out of Illustrator in InDesign. So I'm going to look at your links. Let's see, no, I'm going to look at your layers. I think your 8.5 by 14 thing is in here. It doesn't look like it's actually the right size, so let's size it up to the proper size. That blue line should be where we line it up to the size of our actual trimmed document. So I have to make it a little bit bigger. Oops, is that too big? I don't know, I'm a little confused. Not sure if this is the right template or not. I have the wrong thing selected here. It's not matching the size of your document. I feel like this isn't the right template, but it could be. I don't think I am wrong though. I just don't think that this is correct. Let's see. I guess I'll just go out to Printing Center USA, brochures, templates, brochure templates. See if I can find that page. Here it is. Okay, so if we go to, if you want to do a trifold in 14 by 8.5, download it there. InDesign, let's do file place. Bring it in from the downloads. I guess we'll do the inside because it won't have the mailer information. If I click it in, then I should be able to line this up, and it should line up perfectly. Okay, so that is the way it should be, and I think your guides are off a little bit from where the template. I'm going to lock the template down temporarily, and then I'm going to do View, Guides, Lock Guides, so that I can move your guides around a little bit if I can get them. Ugh. Maybe you locked it the old-fashioned way. I don't know. For some reason I can't move your guides. But anyway, this is where the fold line would be for your template, according to the template that I downloaded from Printing Center USA. The other one I couldn't get to work, the one that you had in here, at least maybe I don't know what was going on with that. But so with that being said, you know, you might need to shrink down. You might need to shrink down this door a little bit because it's awfully close to the fold line. You know, I would almost wonder what this would look like white. I would make this font a little tighter. These are just small things, I mean, but the leading is very spacious, and I wonder if you just left that. I almost wonder also what this would look like with this at 100%, and then making this come partially behind, oops, that's the wrong thing, come partially behind the join us sign, just for like some depth, and then just bringing the box out for this whole panel, and maybe even making it like a different color, like black. And this could be maybe, oops, this text could be white. That might make it look a little nicer. And I would almost suggest just making this 100% as well. And yeah, making those, at least making those 100%. I don't like how this text is just kind of, this was by itself. It's kind of squished in here. And also the knight is kind of close to the edge. I would move him over, or either just like size him down just a smidge. And you could even take this become the hero you always wanted to be out and like put it up here as like a headline or something. And I would change this text, what is it, Acer? I would just make it this text so that you have a little bit more consistency and you're not using quite so many fonts throughout your design. The bleeds look good. And yeah, just make sure that your template is also like matching. Oops, I have the template selected right now. Oh, I think I locked it down. Just make sure your template is matching where you thought the fold line was, because I think there might have been some issues with the template that you were using. I don't think it was quite right. Yeah, I would say your guides aren't really matching where the fold line is on the template. So you might want to re-download that Printing Center template and just check and make sure your fold lines are in the right spot and that your design is making sense when compared to the template. And other than that, though, this looks good. I think you did good. We'll talk to you later.